Something to think about for winter. How old are your smoke detectors? Whether you're renting or buying, you need to check the date because smoke alarms don't last forever, even with new batteries.
It's very easy to tell. If you turn over a smoke alarm, there's a date of manufacture on the back of the alarm, and you want to make sure that you replace your alarms 10 years from that date. So not the date you buy it or install it, 10 years from that date of manufacture.
Yeah, batteries or not, even if the smoke detectors are hardwired to your house, you still need to check the dates and replace them after 10 years.